Welcome back. In this section, we are going to discuss about specifying a target directory for import. So the syntax will be sqoop import connect JDBC MySQL and server name / schema or database name. Username will be MySQL username, password will be my password of SQL, and you need to specify the table which we want to transmit and the target directory, that will be the Hadoop file location. Make sure the file does not exist. It will be created by Sqoop itself. So now let's move to the practical demonstration of it. So let's get started. Before we execute sqoop import command, let's check the file directory, that is Hadoop fs-ls and user / my final emp as the directory. So no such file or directory found. So this is before execution. So now we are going to execute the command sqoop import. Sqoop import / which indicates on the new line. Command continues on the new line. And here we have specified connect JDBC MySQL localhost, marketing which is the database which we have created, username root, password is sqoop course, table name is employee, and target directory is user / my final emp. Enter. Here you can see sqoop job will be triggered. So once the sqoop job is complete, we will be able to see records in this file. So let's wait for the execution to get completed. As you can see, our sqoop import has been completed successfully without any issues. So the 3 records have been written: map input record, map output record. Now let's check the Hadoop directory. So here you can see we have 4 files. One is success file and the part m files. So now let's print one by one and check the content. So this is how our record have been retrieved from MySQL to HDFS location. So that's all for this lecture. See you in the next video.